So hello all, this is Shruti, and in today's video we are going to learn how to export a very high quality animation video from Clo 3D. So this is the video part 2 of the series of Clo 3D animation export, and in our first video we learned that how to quick export our animation from Clo 3D, and in this video we mostly focus on to the quality of the animation. So yeah, let's start with that. So this is the file which we have created in our last video. So this is a very basic animation with a very basic garment drape onto the avatar. So to start today's tutorial, we have to go on to the animation option, and then you have to change the mode to simulation. Okay, and then you have to select this render option and then render, and then you have to go on to this image settings. Okay, and once you click onto the image settings, you will receive this property editor window. And in image slash video option, you have to select this animation option. Okay, and then here you receive a save video option. You have to activate that, and then onto the save panels you have to save your video in format of mp4, not in avi. So here select mp4, and then you have to also select the file path where you want to save your renders and animations. So I have already created one folder named export animation, so I have selected this one. Select the folder where my all renders and a video will save. So this is going to be a very time taking process, so I have reduced this pixels to 500 because I want very quick and fast uh, animation and a renders. So but in your case, please note that uh, the 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 more the number of pixel it is, the better the quality you will receive. Okay, so then start your rendering. So in the bottom panel you will see that it has 190 frames to render. Okay, so this is going to render 190 pictures, so this is going to be a very time taking process. So yeah, let's wait for the final render. You can see that we are onto the few last render images. Once this reach 190, we are done with our render animation video. So yeah, this is the last picture which is going to render here. This is a 191, this is a 190 render. So once this done, this is done. So you have to click onto the open the folder, and you can see that this is the images, all the images which is render here. So you have to select all these images and from control A and deselect the first one, because this is the video and we don't need these pictures. So you simply delete this all of them, and let me show you the final animation video. So this is the animation video which we have created. So yeah, that's all for today. Have a nice day.